morning is it? Today is Wednesday. Good morning. So finally Carter went back to school. Hallelujah. He just went back to school this morning, but welcome to another day of Vlogtober. Today is Wednesday. My appointment ended up canceling, so happy about that. Yes, I have nothing to do today. Today is the day that I'm going to just get some things done around the house that I've been meaning to do. I need to paint a wall. Like do some touch-up painting. I've been meaning to do this for over a year now. Do some touch-up painting. Probably won't do that today though. But I'm on my way to Lowe's right now. I'm about to on my way to Lowe's, so I gotta get some caulking. I gotta get caulking. I want to see if they got some pansy flowers, just a few. So caulking, pansies, and I need some damp red for a closet in my bedroom. I like to keep those in there just to absorb moisture. One of those. Yeah, and I think that's all I need from Lowe's. And then we're going home and we're gonna caulk up some cracks in our bathroom, in my son's bathroom anyway. I'm caulking up some cracks and taking some old caulking off and just replacing it. I probably won't film that because it's too much to film. And whatever, I'm just replacing a little bit of caulking anyway. Y'all know how to caulk, right? Right? Right. It's not hard. But I'm gonna do that this morning. I have yet to film y'all henna brow thing, so I'm gonna film that today too. But I'm gonna do that after I caulk the bathroom and stuff, because that'll give time for the caulk to dry, and then I'm gonna go in there and mop and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first so the caulking can be drying. I want to plan what I want to eat for dinner, which it's so early, I don't even know. We're gonna go ahead and go to Lowe's, get the few things that we need. I wonder if I need 1 or 2 tubes of caulking, because once you start caulking, baby, it's like a thing, you know what I mean? Like once you start. I just want to caulk Carter's bathroom. That's the only place. But then I'm thinking, oh, there's some places in my bathroom that I can caulk by the baseboards. You know, just eventually over time, caulking gets old and it starts peeling up. So all you have to do is just peel it off and put some more down. But anyway, I'll see y'all when we get to Lowe's. Y'all, it's so early. It's not like 7:30. They'll be looking at me like I'm crazy in here. What you do, what you gotta do. They have that Halloween stuff on clearance. Oh, they got a black Santa. Cute. But got some scary looking stuff in here. Anyway, let's get what we came for first. Here is the caulking. I don't see the kind that I usually use, but at Sherilyn we had this one, and I just ate it in Blanco. And I think this one is $3.18 per tube. So I think I'm gonna take 2, just to be safe. And these are the Anywhere dehumidifiers. These are the ones I like, and they're like $5. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. I feel like I need 3. I feel like I need 3 of them. So I ended up getting myself a broom too, because it was like $9, and I really need a broom. I need a better broom, should I say. I've had the other broom for a while, so now we're in the garden section. Good thing we don't have to buy soil, pots, or anything. We literally just need the flowers, because I literally just changed all the soil and stuff like maybe like a month ago. So if I could just find me some pansies. The only thing I hate about the garden section is the fact that all these damn birds be in here. But anyway, let's see if we can find some pansies. Oh gosh, hey y'all. So, don't even look at me. Why do I come on camera looking like this? This is not the best angle, it's not. But anyway, I'm about to go get myself dressed. I'm a little bit tired, y'all. I can't even lie. So it's like 10:30 now. I just got finished doing everything. I had to sit down for a second and take a little break because, y'all, I got so tired. I was sitting here doing some word cons. This is one of my, like, favorite activities to do. My papa used to always do those. But I like doing that, and I was sitting here listening to my motivational speaking, per usual. When I talked to y'all last, we was in Lowe's. I think I showed myself planting the flowers or whatever, but I planted the flowers outside. I got that done. So it's raining, so I stuck them out in the rain to hopefully get whatever. This rain is making me sleepy, by the way. I went ahead and caulked up a few cracks around the house, just like in the living room and some of the baseboards and stuff. And did that. I put my humidifiers out around the house. Yeah, I just been moving around, getting stuff done today. Just getting stuff done. So now I'm about to get dressed, and I'm gonna go ahead and film this henna brow tutorial for you guys. Show y'all how I do my brows because, baby, they need it. They need it. Because I said this week is about getting our lives together. So then we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna get some nails. I'm writing that down on my little list of things to get. Some nails, and I need to get some black hair dye because I want to dye my wig jet black. I just do not like the brownish color of it, but jet black. And yeah, this rain is getting the best. Listen, right now I'm just so all over the place. I gotta go. I'm getting a little bit of sleep. I haven't had any coffee. I haven't had any coffee this morning. I haven't had any tea. I literally just kind of hit the ground running because Carter was out of school Monday and Tuesday. So when he's out of school, I'm so unproductive. Unless it's like summertime and I know he's out of school, and then it's different. But if he's just out of school, like a random, like, few little days here and there, just cause, I'm so unproductive those days. He don't be wanting to go nowhere. I don't be wanting to go nowhere. I'm happy that I did get a lot of things done around the house. So, it's just a few more things we got to do. But the first thing we got to do is get y'all that henna brow tutorial. So, let me go do that for y'all. And I'll be back. All right, y'all. I am back. I have filmed y'all a henna brow tutorial. I got clothes all in my flow. I gotta wash clothes. I got stuff everywhere, but I filmed y'all video. I hope you enjoy it, because it's going up today. I mean, it ain't even started uploading yet, but prayerfully, hold on. Here we go. Period, poo. Period. I got it going up. It's uploading now. It's probably take about 2 hours to upload. I don't know what be wrong with my internet, but it is storming here today. Or not really storming, but it's raining and it's cloudy and stuff, and it's not pretty outside. It's just not pretty outside. So, period. Got that up. I'm gonna let my computer charge. While I'm gone, it's time to go pick up Carter. It is like, I'm pretty sure it is 2:30, ain't it? 2:26. I have 4 minutes to leave the house. I need my Apple Watch on. I redid my clock, put some new pictures up there. I've been doing it, boo. What was I about to do? Oh, my watch. All right, so now we get ready to go to Walmart. I have my little list together. I didn't even tell y'all, Donnie's coming in town. Donnie's coming to stay with me for a week. Her and Papa are coming to stay. So yeah, I'm trying to get my house ready for company as well. And on top of that, I have to plan meals and stuff, and gotta get stuff straightened up. Gotta wash bed linens. I got a lot to do on top of that. I got a lot of hair to do on Saturday. So unfortunate. Okay, anyway, we gotta go. Hey y'all, so I made it back home, but I did not take y'all with me. I had went and picked up Carter from school. Now we just sit here on the couch. He's doing his homework. I'm watching Aaliyah, but I just wanted to come on here and say good night for the night, because I think I'm done for the day. Of course, we ain't did anything besides me film my henna brows, which I can't show y'all because my wig, but come on. But I hennaed my brows and they look cute or whatever. So did that, but other than that, I'm sitting here helping him with his homework. We went to the grocery store and we bought stuff for hot dogs, so I'm about to make some hot dogs right quick. And French fries, and yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way,
so we can start the day off fresh. Hey guys, by the
way, subscribe to mommy.
Yeah, do that. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all bye.
And tag her on Facebook.
And tell y'all bye. Today was just kind of a little lame day, so I guess I'm gonna just have to combine today and tomorrow together. I have some makeup to do in the morning. And then I believe I have some hair to do in the evening. So maybe I combine them together, but I will try to find another video or film something for you guys. So if not, you just see this by itself and it'll be really short. So sorry. Love you, mean it. See you tomorrow.